On March 22nd, Air Canada announced an order for the forthcoming Airbus A321XLR, the longest of the European plane makers' narrow-body jets with extra fuel tanks for superior range. The airline has signed on for 26 of the jets, saying that it will enable the carrier to serve all North American and select transatlantic markets with superb fuel efficiency. Airbus will begin delivering the A321XLR in 2024, and it seems that Air Canada is at the front of the queue, likely made possible by aircraft lessors. The first aircraft will begin delivering in the first quarter of that year, with the complete fleet of 26 arriving by early 2027. The airline does indeed state that 15 of the planes will be leased from Air Lease Corporation or ALC and 5 from AerCap. The rest will be purchased directly by Air Canada itself, with the airline retaining the rights to purchase an additional 14 of the type between 2027 and 2030. Speaking about the order, Michael Rousseau, President and Chief Executive Officer of Air Canada, commented, "Air Canada is committed to further strengthening the market-leading position, especially through investments in new technology. The acquisition of the state-of-the-art Airbus A321XLR is an important element of this strategy." For Air Canada, the induction of a relatively small fleet of XLRs will integrate seamlessly into its existing narrow-body stable. The airline already operates the A319, A320 and A321, although it is yet to operate any Neo variants. The airline's interest in the type has been rumoured for some time, following its cancellation of 11 Boeing 737 MAXs in March 2020. At the time, the airline's CEO said the order reduction would give the airline the flexibility to look at other airplanes. According to chaviation.com, the airline has 78 A320ceo family aircraft in its fleet, with many individual airplanes over 25 years of age. A couple of the A320s are as old as 30, making them ripe for replacement. While the MAX order will fulfill much of this strategy, the A321XLR could be used to replace something a little larger. Air Canada has stated that the A321XLR is expected to deliver a 17% lower fuel burn than the current narrow-body aircraft and up to 23% compared to wide-body aircraft on transatlantic service. With a goal to become carbon neutral by 2050, the long-range Airbus narrow-body is another key step in Air Canada achieving that target. The airline's CEO added that, "This order also shows that Air Canada is emerging strongly from the pandemic and is ideally positioned to grow, compete and thrive in a reshaped global aviation industry." Based on the A321neo platform, the A321XLR is highly modified to support the additional range. This includes not only new fuel tanks but also significant structural modifications such as to the center wing box and landing gear. Some 450 orders have been placed for 24 customers, and the type is expected to enter into service in 2024. What do you think of Air Canada's decision to go for the A321XLR? Let us know by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.